Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow a garden at home for sushi. Growing your own sushi ingredients is a rewarding experience, bringing fresh flavors directly to your kitchen. We'll cover the basics of setting up your garden, choosing the right plants, and ensuring a bountiful harvest. Imagine crafting delicious sushi rolls with ingredients you've nurtured yourself. It's easier than you think to start this exciting culinary and gardening journey. For your sushi garden, focus on plants that are easy to grow and commonly used in rolls. Cucumbers are a must, offering a cool crunch. Carrots add a touch of sweetness and vibrant color. Daikon radish provides a distinct, peppery note. Don't forget herbs like shiso, which offers a unique flavor, or even mint for a refreshing twist. These plants are relatively simple to cultivate and will elevate your homemade sushi. Once your garden is flourishing, it's time to make sushi. Harvest your vegetables when they are fresh and vibrant. Prepare your sushi rice carefully, ensuring it has the perfect sticky texture and a delicate vinegar flavor. Lay out your nori, spread the rice, and arrange your freshly picked cucumbers, carrots, and other ingredients. Then, practice your rolling technique to create beautiful, firm sushi rolls that hold together perfectly. To ensure a successful sushi garden, provide your plants with nutrient-rich, well-draining soil and adequate sunlight. When making sushi, a sharp knife is crucial for clean, precise cuts, giving your rolls a professional finish. Also, remember to check the description for a link to great leak-proof containers and other deals to help with your meal prep. Don't be afraid to experiment with various homegrown vegetables and herbs to create your signature sushi flavors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.